So today we have a pretty cool unboxing for you. I have another K-tuned part. It's a traction bar. I don't believe I've done a traction bar unboxing for you guys. This is specifically gonna be a K-swap traction bar. I believe they're kind of the same, maybe just the clearance on the bracket might be a little different. I'm not too sure, but you're interested in seeing what the K-tuned traction bar looks like for the Civic. Let's see, it's for the Civic EGEK, so 92 to 2000, and for the Integra 94 to 01. Let's get into it.
Skin the color of bark. Bleeds right back in the arm.
Bam, so here we go, guys. This is gonna be the K-tuned traction bar for the EGEK and the DC2 Integra. I love the K-tuned traction bars. It reminds me of some old school ones. First one right off the hand is gonna be the Elcon, the old school bar. The dude made a shit ton of bars, and I know there might be some old school ones out there, but these are kind of the ones that maybe remind me the closest one to them. But this is the K-tuned one. This one specifically for the K series. The part number on this one is gonna be 9200 TBK 104. Now this is pretty much everything that comes in the box laid out. It does include the radiator bracket and support, which is in another bag. This stuff right here. I thought it'd be kind of cool just to lay everything out, that way you can see it actually how it would look when you actually receive it outside the box, and you know, this is how pretty much how it's going to come. So let's start at the top up here. These are the two brackets which are pretty much you're going to utilize on your front control arms. So you would bolt those on the control arms, and then this would set inside of here. And from there you'd thread it into the rod and so on. And the one thing I like about the K-tune pieces are all the machining on them are really, really nice. They have really good tolerances on their in-house department, on their CNC stuff. It's super nice. And these traction bars, I mean, if you guys know or even heard of the brand, a lot of these bars are used on a lot of the top drag racing Hondas of today. So you can rest assured that you're getting the quality that you would expect, that can handle pretty much anything you're gonna throw at it. I mean, I'm sure there's some Hondas out there with these bars on them that are up in the 6, 7, 800 horsepower ranges. So again, no worries on that. Let's get back to here. So we have the bracket with these spherical rod ends, and then you have the machined rods, which are all pure aluminum. And then you have the, I don't want to say the adjustment point where you can kind of turn it with your hand right here if you wanted to when they're all installed. And we get to the other end that's into the traction bar, and where it meets up with another spherical rod end. And then on the brackets, you can see the adjustment range also for the clearances, depending again on maybe the oil pans or the radiator style you're going to use. Just a bunch of different things, but they make it to where you have quite a bit of adjustment. And it does include two nice bolts, well actually 4 bolts, I'm sorry, that are supplied with the kit. And it's just little touches even like this, just this little plastic end cap, where most brands might leave it raw ended and stuff, you know, they actually cover it up with a nice plastic cap just to give it that nice kind of OE look. Just little finishing touches like that. And as you can see, it comes with K-tune sticker on the front. If you do see old school ones that say ETD, those are still a K-tune bar. So if you might see one on Facebook Marketplace or on eBay or something like that, that might be a great deal if you can snatch one of the quality's the same, just it's one of their first brands that they had before they started K-tune. And then on the other side, as you can see, it's pretty much the same thing with the 2 bolts. And then we have the spherical endings going into the rod, likewise, and then into the bracket. And that's pretty much the full kit. And you get in a box nice like that, K-tuned. If you're getting it from a real dealer, again, on the other videos I've said don't support any of the China fake shit. This is a real K-tune bar that is going to handle whatever you throw at it. It should come looking like this. Thanks again for watching, guys. Appreciate all the support and all the love. Comment below if you have any questions or comments about other K-tune parts or other unboxings that you might want to see. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like. I'd really appreciate all the support. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye.